Since the weather is rather quiet today, let's take a minute to catch up on the rainfall that we've had. Tyler, just about where we should be this time of the year, just 16 hundredths of an inch above normal, almost 10 inches in Longview so far, and nearly 2 inches above average. That sure beats last year when we were dry and had the drought. Lufkin slightly behind, just 8/10 of an inch of rain, though, low on the rainfall total. So all in all, we're doing pretty good this year around. Low temperatures this morning, right around 45. That's average, and that's where most of our temperatures were, right there in the 40s across the area. With the sunshine and the south wind we've had this afternoon, we warmed up to nearly 10 degrees above average, as most of our temperatures made it into the middle 70s during the afternoon. Well, we've got high pressure that is sliding off to the east, and as that continues to go, it is continuing to funnel south winds into the area. The air mass aloft is very dry across about the southern third to half of the country, and that's keeping things nice and sunny and going to keep things pretty nice for us over the next few days. Also means warmer temperatures sliding northward, so about half of the country is enjoying some nice warm temperatures in the 60s, 70s, and even some 80s, while the chilly temperatures are hugging the northern states as well as out in the Rockies, where we're seeing some 30s and 40s. Did see a little bit of rain to the north of us, but here in Texas, things are looking pretty good with that dry air. We'll be continuing to look to the west, though, for our storm systems to come through. The next one that'll bring us a chance of rain is still about 3 days away. High pressure, as we watch that slide off to the east, you can see we'll be clear over East Texas on Sunday. This is at lunchtime. Start to see a few clouds there to the north, and we will begin to pick up a little cloud cover, call it partly cloudy for much of Monday. Here's the next front that'll be sliding down, but it's going to take it another 24 hours or so to get into Texas. Tuesday at lunchtime, it should be right over the East Texas area. Model is bringing in some showers a little early in the day. It may be, though, after midnight before we start to see some shower activity and on into Wednesday. Once it does start to rain, though, at midweek around Wednesday, then we will have 2 or 3 days leading up to the weekend where we will have a chance for some showers coming back into the area. Here's a look at your forecast overnight. We're going to remain mostly clear. Chilly 50 degrees in the morning, but things will be looking pretty good generally. East winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for Sunday, we're expecting a high near 77 degrees and lots of sunshine again with a south wind about 15 miles per hour. For Monday, we'll call it partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Tuesday, we pick up a little more cloud cover, some showers possible late. Showers up to a 40% chance there on Wednesday and a 50% chance for Thursday and Friday, leading us into the weekend when we will be seeing some cooler temperatures come back into the area. For deep East Texas, and a great day coming up tomorrow, a good start to your week. You'll also have a chance for some showers, though, at the end of the week and right up into the early part of the weekend. Lauren?